What does a crow say? What does a crow say? What does a bee say? What does a snake say? What does a monkey say? Good. What does a lion say? What does a dinosaur say? Rawr. What does a chicken say? Good. What does a duck say? Good. What does a bunny say? What does a bunny say? What does a bee say? What? A bee doesn't say that. What does a birdie say? What does a crow say? Good. What does a dinosaur say? Rawr. What does a tiger say? Good. What does an elephant say? Wait, what does a horsey say? Good. What does a pig say? Can you say a piggy noise? What does a pig say? Caleb, what does a piggy say? You're not feeling it right now? Is that good? You've got broccoli on your shirt. You dropped the broccoli. What does a bunny say? That's a light. Where's the plant? Where's Caleb? Where is Caleb? Yeah, that's a picture of Caleb. Where's Mama? What? That's your head. Where's your nose? There you go. Can you say, ooh, goo, goo, goo? That is your juice. That is your juice. What does a doggy say? You don't want to play this game? That's fine. You can finish eating.